A simple argument against the death penalty. The fundamental reason against punishment, whatever it may be, and the death penalty in particular, is so obvious that one must ask why no one seems to see it. This reason is that no one has asked to exist. We exist because our parents have desired us. We are all guests of this planet. Yet we are here to serve them as they served their parents. They made us with a social agreement, that is to say that society authorized and even strongly encouraged our parents to manufacture us. We exist without having asked for it, and we exist with a body and an intellect that we have not asked for. We did not ask to be educated in such and such a way. Besides, we are born absolutely virgin of all cultural knowledge. We integrate the culture in which we base, whatever the geographical location and whatever the period. Our eyes are cameras, our ears microphones, our skin a tactile surface, and our nervous system an automatic signal integrator. This culture pervades us because we are forced to do so. We have nothing to do with it. We are such that we are because society has made us such as we are. Intelligent or stupid, fragile and deadly, victims or criminals. If you want to file a complaint, it is against society, but not against individuals. If a criminal is on your way with social weapons, it is because society has put him there, and you are a potential victim, fabricated fragile by society. Individuals were constructed, formatted, and knighted by society. The society has thousands of years of existence. It is a legal person, and as such, it can be attacked in justice for the purpose of reforming it. How can we be responsible for anything, since we are not responsible for existing, and to exist as we are, and where we are? If responsibility exists according to its own precepts and definition, society must be the first to suffer the inconvenience. Why should people be responsible for anything if you, the manufacturers and social partners, refuse to accept responsibility for their manufacture and therefore for their future actions? How can powerful beings, parents or gods, discharge themselves from their responsibility on the pawns they have made, pieces of which they started the manufacture, knowing that they did not master it, nor the future of this pawn manufactured to serve? Do not we have enough experience? Have we not seen suffering everywhere on earth? The ease of the system installed by custom and the need to educate are not apologies to coercion, simple punishment, and the death penalty. You do not punish the person you fabricate unless you are a totally stupid animal. Ideologies. Human adventure, perpetuity of the species, need of love, are infinitely less worse than the probable suffering and the certain death of a single person who does not exist until his existence has been decreed by an absolutist dictator, not even mastering the manufacture of this innocent person, who has no recourse against the unilateral decision to make his existence to serve. By what to replace the punishment when society fails to educate a person properly, because the educator was not competent, or the person was improperly fabricated? The answer is in the question: redo her education, or find a place where she will live at her ease. But do not punish her, do not torture her. She is for nothing in her life, therefore in what she does. It was you who wanted to have her as a guest. Welcome her as such. It was you who invited her or accepted her invitation. An intelligent being does not punish a host, but before that, educate her correctly. Tell her the truth about her risky manufacture. Tell her what she is used to if you find a reason for her making, to serve your ideas, which are not necessarily those of your parents, and when you emancipate her, and tell her to live for her own ideas. This argument against punishment, whatever it may be, is not too modern, since it is formulated here by one of you, and induced by the present culture. Reason and truth are of every epoch. The truth needs to be distributed. The truth is necessary for our proper functioning.